Hey Internet, today's lesson is the mirror feature. For the mirror feature you do need planes. As you can see, I've pre-made my extrudes, cuts, patterns. So click on the mirror feature, click on your plane, we'll click on this plane, and for our features to mirror we're going to pick the hexagonal extrude and the hexagonal hole, and there we have it. We can also mirror patterns, so let's pick this plane and then we'll pick this pattern. So you can mirror patterns. The good thing about mirroring is that you can mirror mirrors. Yep, mirror inception. So let's pick that plane and then yes, we'll mirror that one. And mirroring patterns is much faster than mirroring individual extrudes and cuts features. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, and comment if you got any questions. Until next time, see ya.